Hey guys, Ina Pandora here, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to achieve a flawless airbrush makeup along with this Desert Glam makeup look. So I'm gonna start with priming my face, and today I'm going to be using Smashbox pore minimizing primer. What I like to do is putting all over my face where the pores are enlarged or where we're having like scarring and stuff, and I have a lot of scarring around my nose, so that helps reduce them. Plus, Blendsmart made it really easy to blend instead of just blending it all with your hand or your regular brush. Blendsmart had, because of rotating power, does everything for you. It's quick and you are already starting with a flawless face. Next step is the foundation, and I love starting it first with the neck. What I like to do is just dab my brush into the foundation, turn it on, and go for it. Once your foundation is blended, I'm gonna go with a beauty blender and a finish around the eye. Now to contour my face, what I love to do is just use a darker shade foundation. And just blend it in with the same brush. Then I'm gonna go in with the concealer. What I like to do first is setting the eye area because that's the first area that's gonna crease. I'm just gonna apply. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna go with a powder head and smooth everything out. That will give that smoothness, veil, and blend everything together. If you're going in with a translucent powder, tap it a little bit and then make sure that you're tapping the excess on your hand. What I like to do is tap it a little bit and then go in with it. And I'm finishing up my face routine with adding a little bit of blush and highlighter, and our face is ready for the next step, which are the eyes. And I'm gonna start with a transition color a little bit at a time. I'm gonna apply it all over my crease and the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna take my time and go in little by little until everything is blended seamlessly and smooth. Then with the black color, I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner of the eye, and then whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna go and drag it in the inner corner on the crease. And repeat the process until you're happy. Then with a flat synthetic brush and a very thick concealer or very thick consistency primer, I love cutting the crease. I'm starting from the inner corner and slowly dragging it in the outer corner. Then applying the light white or golden shade on top of it and seal everything in place. To make the transition in the outer corner even more smooth, I am coming back with a flat brush and the transition color and blend the white, gold color and the black together. Then I'm adding a little more black in the outer corner to intensify the outer corner even more. To add that drama, then adding the highlighter on the brow bone to open the eye even more. For the under eye, I'm using the same color I used on the crease and blend it outwards. Then I'm going in with a pencil brush and black eyeshadow and add a little more blackness in the outer corner and add it all the way to the middle, but I want to stop in the middle, don't bring it in the inner corner too much. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use a liquid liner because I think their blacks normally are even more intense, so I am making the eyeliner the way I do it usually, and then I'm adding glue on top of it, but I still want the black to be seen, and then top it off with the gold glitter. I love using the same brush I applied the glue to apply the glitter because it helps making less mess. Then adding mascara and false eyelashes. We're gonna complete this look with a nude lipstick. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see you on my next one.